Guys, welcome to Living the Dream. So we're in Dominican Republic. My son is here. He wants to say hi.
Hi.
So we're in my grandmother's house, and today's a rainy day. So I just want to show you guys real quick, okay? So this is the rain in Dominican Republic.
Yeah, and this is what it looks like rain.
It is pouring. But I have to admit, it's been extremely hot lately, so this is a refreshing one. However, the downside of this, or I believe the mosquitoes will be more intense.
Wow, this is awesome.
Okay guys, I'll be talking to you soon. So I just wanted to show you how it looked out in the rain. Let me show you guys the backyard. This will be the front porch. So here we are in the backyard. My cousin had cleaned all the curtains. She cleaned the house. This is, and here's the post. This is the old kitchen from my grandmother from when she used to live up in the mountains, literally up in the mountains. She brought it down from up there. She insisted she wanted her outdoor kitchen, which is cool, in my opinion. Even though it looks oldie and rusty, I love it. Can you hear it? I hope you guys can hear that. It is cool. Right now it's very cool. Okay guys, we're back. I wanted to show you the aftermath, or after the rain. It's still drizzling actually a little bit. My grandma's house needs a good paint job. We plan on doing that, but not this week. I said it's gonna rain for the next 7 days, so can't do any of the painting, but that's not, we're planning on doing that. So this is there, we have to obviously remove all that paint, and then we're gonna paint it again. But I'm thinking like of a navy blue, a nice blue, maybe the blue of those barrels, so that way it can hide the dirt a little bit more. But this is it after the rain. Those are my kids. You've seen them before. Say hi, guys. They got adjusted real well. The only downside, like I said before, mosquitoes. So I hope you guys like the mini clip of the rain here in Dominican Republic. I have more videos that I'm working on to post, inclusive of the shopping that my husband and I did with the kids in the city. So if you like this content, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more notifications when I post these clips. So enjoy, and I hope you guys join us in our journey to relocating to the Dominican Republic. I'm hoping to post up very soon a video of the property we bought. We bought land.